Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benjamin and today I'm gonna be showing you 3 tips that's gonna make your using your PS5 more enjoyable and more easier to use. Right now, the first tip I'm gonna help you with is the texting. Right now, when you want to text, you move your your cursor, you move your like analog, or you move your right stick, right, to search something. But right, if you hold these two together at the same time, right, then you can see now you can, like, when you move around, it helps you to like select wherever you want to select, right? So if you want to move wherever, and then you just press X to write the text. It's a bit more difficult, but I think it's a very fun way to do this, and you can do this. Right now, if you want to cancel it, just left, and then that will be canceled, and you don't have to use anything else. You can, but if you want to go back, double click this, right, these two together, and you're back in, and then left on any of the analog stick or whatever, and that will cancel it. Let's get right to the next tip. Now for this tip, we're going to be using this little microphone thingy on here, right? That a lot of time people don't think you can use this, right? But if you click one time, you see that it will mute your microphone, right? And if you hold it, it will mute all audio and your microphone at the same time, right? So you just click here again, right? And then everything is on mute. So it's a very nice tip in case of like you want to mute something. But and if you click it back again, you can unmute your microphone all at the same time again. Very nice tip. Now the third and last tip is you go to settings, right? And you go to system, HDMI, right? And then this, you enable this. Now enable HDMI device link. What this will do is it allow, if your PS5 is turned off, we're gonna turn it off now, and if you turn it on, it will turn on your PS5 and your TV at the same time. So let's try this out. Okay, so now we're gonna try this out. And as we can see, it worked. But I will say to you, there's some settings that I forgot to mention, which is when you go to your settings and you go to the system and HDMI, remember to turn on this as well, because if this is turned off and this is not turned on, you won't be able to have that feature. So that is one thing to remember, and also depend on the TV you have. So it might work on some TVs or it might not work for some TVs. But that's all 3 tips I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and subscribe and like if you wanna have any more tech or in view, or you have any comments about this video, comment it down below, or there's any video you want to see as well, comment it down below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you beautiful people, peace.